Oh, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again to fix one problem. If you are using Filmora any version and you have some graphics card issue, for example, if you want to edit some 4K video, your Filmora is stopping. For example, if I go here, file preference and go to performance, you can see here you can't enable hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback. Enable hardware acceleration for video decoding. If you can't activate this option, what you can do? First, you have to hit here start option. Okay, after that, it will automatically do that. I hit close. You have to restart this one and apply. If you restart, after restarting still you see this problem is exist, what you can do in this case? In this case, we are going to MSI website to download the video card driver. Maybe the video card driver is missing. Let's see, MSI 17 Bravo, this computer driver download. According to your computer, go inside accept all according to your computer. I think this is the version. And driver, here you see 64-bit of window. Here let's see wireless graphics. You see here AMD graphics driver, this one. I hit here download button. You can see here is downloading. I will close meanwhile Filmora and we'll hit this. Will open. Come here, setup, yes. It's loading. Let's see. In installing the driver, so we have to wait and see. We're almost there. Is finish, is done, and we'll go here to file preference, performance. You can see, voila, you see here enable hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback. This is done, guys. You hit apply. Okay, this will affect after you restart your computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.